I finally said, woman, gender neutral, empath support group. Council. Your language and your sound and discrimination against Native American culture, wood carving, and a similar ethnicity killing a man in a crosswalk named John T. Williams dead, where there's pride flags and transgender stimulation now. And a Navajo dream catcher knocked off of a wall, landing on a floor, are cause for laughter, conversation, intellectual philosophy, and then more questions. And then when they turn around and they stop with their behavior, they have nothing but emptiness. And they're afraid of the emptiness and the emotional mood and color. They can't stop now. And they repeat noises. They visit their friends and they watch a social system fail. And then buy more drugs now. They sell more drugs now. Then they have prostitutes and sell more drugs now. And for those poor, stupid people with disabilities who don't have this depression and genius, vibrancy of lucid, vivid, cult, esoteric infinity. Unfortunately, you have to sit in silence and listen to their whispers to calm what they observe next door in a home where there's a practicing Tibetan Buddhist who has to listen to them, not every day, every night. Both. And then explain who I am to him who is not he anymore. About them this, who aren't a word, a color black, written with the blood of a dead crow. They saved from a kitten's razor sharp paw. Now,